Tanin Auto Electronix. Today we're working on a 2003 and 2004 Volvo. This could be an XC, S70, S80, the whole line, the sedans, the wagons. So the problem this one has is gauges work, the display works when you kind of push on the lens or wiggle it a certain way. Also, if you start the vehicle, you'll see that nothing is working. This could also happen if you install a 2002 cluster in a 2003 or 2004, just the check engine light. The other thing is the part number. There's a 2002 part number, I think it's 8-something-995, and there's also a 2003 part number with the same part numbers of the 02. So it's if you see, it's easy to stick the wrong one in. So this one I think can be rebuilt. We'll just have to take it out, take it apart, and take a look at it. But very common issue with 03, 04 Volvos that look just like this, the same cluster. Late 04 or into 05, 06, they changed the design of the cluster, so it's not really, doesn't have the same issues as the older ones, but it still looks the same. So we'll take this apart, see what's going on. But to remove it, sometimes there's two Torx, I think T20, if I remember correctly, screws that hold in the plastic bezel. And then you'll also see in each corner, I think it's T20 or T25, but you'll see these little larger screws here on each side. Just take those out and then unplug the cluster. So we'll figure out what's going on and then post a second video of the update. Alright, part 2, we have the cluster fully repaired. We have all the backlighting fixed behind the gauges and the displays. If your cluster does go out or have power issues, you will notice the SRS airbag service message on there. You may need a special tool to reset that, Volvo specific diagnostic tool to reset the airbag light. That came on because it lost communication with the cluster. So now that the cluster is working again, you're going to have that code. So we have tested it. Everything's working correctly here. The clock is working properly. Another issue people has is the clock digits scroll automatically when you're having cluster failure issues like that. So this is good to go, ready to ship out. Thanks for watching. Take care.